This is a Nissan Rogue 2016, and I'm changing the bearing. That's how it looks. Has 4 screws in the back. So you're gonna have to take this caliper off, and this has to come off. It's not making a major noise, but the guy wants it to be changed. So yeah, let's do this. So we'll take this off from here. Okay, for this, 2 different sizes. For the small ones, you need let's see, what's this, 9/16 of these, and then there's 2 more in the back here, which is 15. Okay, so once that's out, looks like that, and then you can take it out just like that. That's it for now. And then I'm gonna go underneath, see where the screws are for this. This is in the back, right there, through this long one, and with this gun. That's the back. There's the 4 screws and the one in the middle. But that's how it looks. It's out. So I had to take this off too. It's a 10mm. And it goes here on top. That's how it looks. So now I'm gonna have to knock this off. I'm gonna spray with something here, WD-40. One more thing, I use this flexible one on the left side. It was easier. Back on. That's the old one, that's the new one. But I'm telling you, it's easier if there's 2 people. When you put it back on, one holds it and one goes behind and screws it in. Okay, let's do the next step. It's back on. I gotta change the brake pads. You notice there, look at them. It's time for new ones. So I'm gonna do the pads, and that's it. Thank you for watching.